The September blood moon in 2025 was supposed to be a great event, showcasing the wonder of the lunar eclipse and a red moon. But that wasn't meant to be, because the lunar eclipse actually occurred somewhere from 11:30 a.m. to like 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And in Eastern Standard Time, the moon actually rises around 7:30 p.m., which is not a good thing, because that basically means when the lunar eclipse is occurring, it's during the day and it's below the horizon line, which means you're not going to see the moon. So that was quite disappointing. What you did see was more of a yellowish or orangey-ish moon, a full moon at least, on September 7th, but it's not quite the same as a reddish moon, and so it was quite the disappointment. If you lived in China, Europe, Africa, Australia, yeah, you probably did see a blood moon, but over here in the US, you just didn't see that. Although on September 5th, I did catch a pretty nice moon, not quite full, but almost a reddish moon, and that was nice. That was around 3 a.m. after I got off the airplane, kind of got stuck on the airplane.